Our company is part of a holding company for the production of medicines in Kira. Our company has various equipment for the production of medicines, from a granulator to an automatic self-adhesive labeling line. At the end of the year we modernized and started replacing the outdated and technically obsolete equipment. I have been working as a chief engineer for 20 years, and I know well all the technological processes in the company. I chose new equipment to replace the technically unsuitable one myself, coordinating it with the management before the purchase. It was not an easy job. There was a lot of equipment on the market, many processes had changed and become automated. Plans for modernization included the purchase of a blistering machine, which is used for automatic formation of cellular packaging from PVC roll material. The machine automatically fills the cells with gelatin capsules. After the cells are filled, the equipment seals the surface of the blisters with aluminum foil. The main effect on the capsule shell is moisture. Being in the individual cell of the blister, the gelatin capsule is protected as much as possible. The machine we had was constantly being repaired and did not provide the necessary performance and sealing of the capsules. Since I had already selected many different machines for our facility, I had a lot of experience in selecting and remained in contact with some reliable equipment manufacturers. I began contacting the manufacturers by telephone to find out whether they could produce a blister machine. As the main criteria specified automatic control, quality stainless steel material of the equipment, productivity of 4,000 blisters per hour, I first contacted a company in Germany, which offered me an automatic equipment for packaging capsules into aluminum blisters, but they specified that the whole delivery, customs clearance and installation of the equipment was not included in the price. Delivery could have been delayed and I declined. Then I contacted the company from Russia. She said that they do not make this type of machine, but if we can wait, they are willing to design and manufacture a blister machine, but it will not be until next year. I was not prepared to wait that long. Since I could not find a manufacturer of automatic equipment for packaging capsules into PVC blisters, I decided to take a different route and consult with professionals who work in the pharmaceutical equipment supply industry and maybe suggest another machine option. I searched on the internet for an intermediary from Russia because I once had a bad experience delivering equipment from a Chinese intermediary when a powder filling line was brought to us, but there were no installation documents or technical passport. It took us a long time to set up the line. We consulted with the manufacturers on the phone, although they were reluctant to talk to us. I chose 3 vendors online. I looked at the firm's time in the pharmaceutical supply market, the company's website, and the machine's delivery terms as criteria. All the companies I called to make sure of the professionalism of their managers. A specialist from one company said to wait for 5 minutes, but she never listened to me. I didn't like such attitude to the customer. The manager of another company from Kaliningrad talked to me politely, asked questions about the necessary performance equipment, the desired production time. 5 days later I received from them in the mail 10 variants of various blister machines, and an offer to make a choice on their own. I realized that they have no professional approach, and I will not help me in my search for equipment. The last, 3rd intermediary option turned out to be a good one for me. The mail manager talked to me like a professional. He asked me specific questions about the desired productivity of the machine, told me about the terms of delivery. During the consultation he suggested an automatic machine for packing capsules into PVC blisters, which I was able to quickly negotiate with the company management. The machine was acceptable in characteristics and price. Within a week we concluded a contract for the delivery of equipment. The specialist asked to test the machine and send aluminum foil, PVC film for the formation of the blister, and the gelatin capsules themselves. The manager informed me 2 weeks before the delivery about the state of readiness of the machine. He sent a video demonstration of our machine. A month after signing the contract, we received the automatic equipment for packaging capsules into PVC blisters. The manager provided the manufacturer's warranty, technical passport of the equipment, drawings and operation manual. We set up the machine. Our blister was a plate with white capsules, which were hermetically packed. The blister was stamped with information about the shelf life of the drug, the size of the capsule, and the production batch. In the future, I plan to contact the manager of this company to purchase analytical equipment, which should be purchased for the production of the drug in gelatin capsules. I am confident that he will choose me a high-quality equipment. Experience has shown that no matter how confident you are in your abilities, consulting a specialist will speed up the solution of the task at hand and free up time, which can be spent to your advantage.